So please don't stand out the producer.
Omoisho yo gabu ke tiege inteke angagere ko America gandenga ogwantebe tinyeire throw bono iwa
Auto tigera yo gendre ahora motigera no, the question is ntokore bintu ne bisenete akiago job si etero ngakutumukani
ocho ichemba tari ale senete ratera egento yoka motera ali national anthem ne East African anthem
tokorega. Senator, good morning.
But I'm so happy.
No, the boy is good.
I hope he'll call you. About 6 months ago. Now, I'm debating ni manyito no buate talanta. Lakini iranyo musiki ongora. Kanya nkoro irani ngora
ochoke taratibu
ochoke bono no chumuisho choke
bia sana very good producer yo muziki yo ngendo kieke akoro kwa Honorable Richard Onyonka na producer so
Mbia mono mbiande I'm very well. Studio nkorumoino ga Citizen TV mbia mono so wonchika. I'm happy koba.
Thank you.
I'm really happy.
Actually, I wanted to ask you.
Yes.
Squeeze ukumana sana. What is wrong? You are ever saying, oh, Gavan, oh, Koregasi, oh, Chibes Chasire, oh, Kiango, oh, Serikali ya Jubilee. Advice.
Okay, tiganda.
Provide leadership.
Okay, endera koiba olemo koiba serikali mbiyere in fact yekera mukoli kabantu mwali kamino yoka in fact jipara chons pikenya mbiyachire in fact ntwanya gusaba madeni ense yeitere fantastic kirege ntumbu yakerinje bunando chega nonya ni county government kirege ntumbu yakiro mogotaka kubuta abantu butabonsi pi mogotaka kulika likaba iriboka nyakundi.
Anyway, na botura say abego by the because na kole ko kwana matuka mange sana.
Yes.
Nationally.
Yes.
Are we that bad?
We are in a bad position. Makiora atuale nse where leading yao in 10 years yekeri chi billion 12. Chi trillion, 30 billion. Chi trillion 12. Ese bono iga montu tayo manyete gose chivese chi pension injiro. Ese bono iga montu tayo manyete gose na chefungo kolere gasi. Mbono tuwaite richi keri tuwaenda Turkana. Oetel nyakundi tuwagenda Turkana chibezi chiachire Turkana in 10 years chi billion 115 billion teyo none yamo yagachire none ekaera njiro chikoroba njiro mwachiro chibicha so of course nyakundi ngoikole stage kwebole na kinkieki gyatulia nki kiromonto aja yaye no gotaka gotenenka yes I mean gotenenka nkoliko bei eke usinge linga goikoliye no nayo nyori bagokoliye libande lakini tatu oli yaebwika kwamanya kuimuka ko ire kominye ne community yarenge kwakora ebintu getu bantu bakoliye babuli na nkieki amini kigekogera abantu bande tutaikororanga obugambi tugonyare ko bugolia as many people as you can obeka abantu in a position whereby ogo consult. Leadership is nothing if you are not able to consult people for them to tell you. That is why ile katiba ya Kenya kotebanga public hearings are important on any decision a leader must take.
Yes. Ntu arole reporting ya soka.
Yes.
Ya 9 months of financial year 2022-2023.
Yes.
On how counties chigo tumeka mangana development.
Yes.
And kwa mention it. Nkikira kongo as chiwese chikachema magende rogo tumeka even the kwendelie bekire ya is it 35%?
Ili swali elincho kobole osengava na Simba kwali kobole.
No because nayo kunayo would
chiwese na ale chiwese cha
ekero moko genda for example Turkana.
Yes.
Bune senator Turkana kobole ngaki.
Yes.
Why is it not 100% utilization as a development? What are the challenges? Maybe issues inchiro otranya rokomogo address.
Inche egonga nyetekere audit yegocha ye county assembly county government ya Bosongo amone county assembly inche ko babole mazwali yegardo senate. Bono iga enyo bagotaka batumie obongaini bwane mbwata bosinini kegera nimbo bwate na bongo baereza naki ebintu mbire mu wene tokokora byako enebo watumia chibese cha serikali engenjugiti ebinde mbire otari gokora You see, ekeroko gamba in the county government no national government.
Yes.
Ebintu mbire keroli president yogokora ne bintu mbiro talgokora. Ekeroli governor bintu mbiro gokora ne bintu tayogokora. Ekiara kogokole bintu gete effects chiaye. Ojigo create the problem to gosuka. Yes.
Okay. So ekero konyora, I don't know why you don't want to answer this.
No, ask me.
2.5%.
Yes.
The money which was allocated,
yes,
the county of Kisii,
yes,
was what was spent as a development.
That is true.
So,
but that is the answer that Honorable Governor Simba Arati should answer, not me. Ekiagara bono ngakiura amboli nyakundi nche na achire na akoletere jibesa na hoteru nyakundi obusio obona akoletera na abutigire gali we living room ma butiganda minyoka aibondo rangiria abantu ba opange osobo jabese na leta osenga kyokora. Manya koira na nyore nga chibese china koire ugotumiete 2% chuka ejindi chigatagarabo egasi ya ne bono buno mu senator no ko analyzing aki chibese echi igo mwasi nyoto go chitumia because musinyire go chitumia go sene sengi jomo tama etingi mokora ekiagara nga kyo munta nga kinya kundi turabe every time to go sabu chibese ni county tuamanya ko chibese echi egere county ya nyore chibese yanga go chitumia bono gyuta getenkore.
That's what because need more oversight.
Gato control of budget has said if you are not able to spend money, you can't ask for money. A problem Mumbuatine county government ya Kisii is now forcing me you go sabachive extra because in the record the control of budget will say abano bachive sembali to me. So what do you want me to do?
So you won't ask for more money?
How can I ask when you are unable to spend what you are given? That's not my job.
What happens in each message? Spent.
CRF account. Either the governor can do a supplementary budget so that a changing a giata get to spend chive within a limit area control of budget saba so that chive abantu banyare kwa uchigasi bakole ebintu bye account bigorwe abali monye bakuri kuba ICD barikwe onye national chirikwe because ebinte biga basically na bitakire so that services chitoke busi. Yeah.
We'll talk more about expenditure but let me start from what is going on as a NC. Then we'll go back to CSA to
Yes.
The National Dialogue Committee Bomas. Igoro almost keregen tokia teninete.
Yes.
Azimio wago tetika Kenya kwanza barakwana. Kenya kwanza wago tetika azimio barakwana. To antrane deputy president nganda ke this talks in Djibouti future.
Maite a problem ya kundi to wate Kenya nga I don't know kiali ya wana siasa. Majority to nga bantu abaliri chiti nogo. No mete nogo. Basically issues chiense ya Kenya nchiro. We cannot continue nense ese all the time chikura chikoba ese yarwana. Number 2, get certain things because we want to persuade serikali a chief function chiriji alenko devolved chief devolved. No rochi nyakundi amangana achire CDF ne is a successful fund. CDF tigere etwe 80 we ever constitutionalized so the jaba bunge bagaendera kumani chives cha CDF. Right now kino mbunge Kenya ngima gako 250 million shillings. Again to geria CDF getaitiri chivese jinkwera na jira back to the national government. Chishikulie unaba sacha Nairobi. Ebintu mbiro kuna bono oversight fund ye senator. You can't give me as your senator. Omanya gonte injenko organize chivese chiache county government. Kere chivese chiakire omanya gonte wono tinko enanji go check chivese jinga chigo to make. Why should I give you money and then you tell me I can't monitor how you are spending that money?
Because the argument is I'm supposed to be monitored by MCA.
No, the MCAs are called what is called primary oversight. Their capacity is that at the primary level, they can raise issues about what is happening with the county government. In fact, what aba MCA ba wende to kokora, no go ikaransa kwa agrino mogavana, chibe serenga kire ward ya kwa chance chibe equal, chipare nga bako beka chance chibe equal, chipare chinga kichi korosiwa, chiskuru echiche ICD nga kichi kwa gachwa, abali munga kibako likwa, ese aba MCA na bubago tevyo mogavana nki aba na inchi batagete. inche bono bune secondary oversight officer buno mo senator inche bono no gocha kuburia ba MCA mu abegete kibese chikogenda bwo million 20 chechi para togenda nyoro kipara kwa rosirire na etole no mongina gitena na check na rose na maroba begete usino moro begete na ete skuru na check ya bali ba ECD chi coordinator chirito chigutwara otutagete chia monitor chia make sure bali mungo somi bali chi skuru twamanya abana nkoletu bale skuru abana abakoenda nasali nkoragira bali
okay
yeah.
Ngaki county oversight fund yego chikuchenche bintu because mwanye kwaned for so long tiko chotwale problem ndi ya CDF bwate
no CDF the what problem merely what CDF
I mean CDF basically is a kiti kyo mujumbe
that is true yango taibono igerikere kiti kyo mujumbe where mujumba go direct chibesa nga ichiwende to cover spend reason yakundi are very simple mu Africa tara ike stage ezo ko morangali omotenga inche onacha gaiga endo mujumbe agaskuru akabona nacha ko talera igambia mono na baletera chirubu 10 abana bagolirwe soda bumuntu so kogende mu Africa gegorote ko gambe bintu bya siasa ko kore bintu ko mode skuru yenche nabe kama bati skuru yenche na agacha inazari skuru yenche na leta chibesa chicho jiria nchiagwete mwatete elumia mbiri nchira ansa kole machicho chingi ya Ross Mokole that is the contradiction of African leadership. You don't go ojiko tevia bante bintu no munu bosa but for us the oversight fund get about intoli kwagacha kende
yes.
Tindiko chiko check nga ngobole mobo nga kyoko bwagacha but my responsibility inche ngo checking a county government ni what side kwagacha nyagitali asegete obole mobo no bwe county yes bobwate dispute no onye bobwate you stop until the matter has been resolved in a court of law. Abantu okulika nyagitali yes kwa balikire bano musaraba kulinirenga I will check inche nkwae ekamati yane ya bunge ya devolution ekamati yane ya bunge ya HR ya labor ekamati yane ya bunge ya education onye batagete any information they will verify from me whether what the county government is saying is true from what I am saying.
Okay.
Tuamanya kubura ni maswali abana aba barorora abaswati naba muraba chikoba chi coordinator chi oversight fund gasi yabo tali omo MCA babo chikurwania kosaba chikuomana nere in a public place igo omo MCA abwate budget budget yene otochi kopiki onye ward ke kurukuiveno otogo piki ebintu byose pitumanya nga iveno chivese ya wirenga chivese chichi para irenga ichi amache nirenga itarache kwa gachunereri toto money unaona wa MCA ba usibons piba be 41 million and by the way I congratulate Simba for doing that one because chika bana jinde chikwanga bono Simba tigati chivese chiala ba MCA batwale atiga ba MCA pachimanage
na kitogwatana na between county oversight fund na office yao na committee implementation ya assembly
edia ereta about implementation neka ro mugava nata iteko confirm nga chipali cha kwagacha ni chinyoma for example kwagacha le class iki agachiru kia ele implementation team nera ko enda motenga gavana class iki yakolereki kia agachiru kia beire inche oversight fund ya ngongo check yeringi bi mutata nga kiebekire ngana omuchango umuiroro akiolenge chisimiti chigotumeka nirenga equality neredi ineregasiane.
Don't you get these reports?
Where?
For the assembly?
No.
You ask for them?
I guess na nyore file no ne.
Senator not entitled to these reports. You ask for them?
No. Na nyora obviously royo mu senator file yendete yo yatikitu no mugako bule file yendete yo yatikitu no mugaka professor ngeri tani ngamba ko kolire gasi. That is the way the system ya bete designed almost senator galing useless. Born ya change the role of the Senate. I oversight the national government and the county government and the county assembly. Yes.
We will have the same problem, Senator.
No.
As implementation of development as a county. I want actually you have a more of a grant. You go to county na nothing much.
We grant young and then working at Chivas and Kuichirega Chitico Koibua. Yalino credit.
Narora and not having a Chivasanko, which I can get Korakan.
Mogo taken and Golakan, Oroche, Karatuachi, Turkana, Nanokia, billion was in Amzini. I thought Tarus who set out their Romampi. My taking was all my Kundi. I want to Bacolida, I want to which was Javantaba Takegosoli. It is not a joke anymore. Some of us have decided we are going to face it. Otowocha koligera ni nabasacha onyo okolere buya buna wono igoroti gana kobuli no role bo bingo mongi na donya na jieta ka beki bisima bitatu usiengima ine igasiane wonero oversight nereri nje bono ngo ena cheki mama budonya ngaibona ali kwali mete asigete ko genda ndo romambia kalike no chigokora ndethe go cheki usama chinaro amacha ali nje ngo yabucha nechuba nyaire se ministry ya water nkole testing inje ngo chigotega abantu bali kere nje oversight officer patebia macha mukunyu nama ya chitangi awege to tinguboli about the quality yetangi lakini onya amacha ali mrukale tangi meneva 5000 liter igongote bomungi na donya ebiro maybe Simba kwale mete bitatu ayene queen mata gendera igo kwa gacha 10 kwa wendi bas inere gasiano mungi na gitena usabona
county singote babale, and I don't know what is the procedure ndongeregia chitego last council of governors meeting.
Yes.
They are saying sometimes our governor was settled in office because they don't know when they will be impeached next. They are saying, let's give us at least 2 years.
There is nothing. There is nothing.
And then you can talk to us.
If you go and misgovern in 3 weeks, we remove you. What happens if you find Monto very governor Chirobs Yayo Akromonto Lisa Zibunduki? What do you do? Why do you need 2 years? What do you do when you find that the governor is organizing militia? They are beating people on the ground every day, and people want to challenge that governor, and they are going to take him to anywhere to challenge him. How can you say, what if he becomes half mad? They
argue it's double standards. The same procedure and other elected leaders.
The governor's standard is higher. If you decide to go governor, then you must have integrity, then you must treat people with candor and respect, then your standard is higher. I can't treat you as a governor with the same standard you go treat normal MCA. Why do you want me to treat you with that standard? Your standard is higher.
The threshold you
is higher.
Is the same.
It is not the same. The person who's governor in Kisii County today went around 9 constituencies. He conducted where he gave a manifesto. He talked about things he will do. Let him do those things. That is the threshold.
The qualifications, integrity, chapter 6 are the same for all of us.
Negative.
Public office.
The standard is higher for a governor and for a president. That is why the constitution says you can remove the president. What if President Ruto Bonoiga decide ko be evarasioro? Oigo chire ga ige town bosongo kali utara ga Nairobi ogenda akabantu 15 masasi. What would you want me to do as a senator? I will remove him from office. Yes.
Is the process so easy? You could move a governor.
Why do you think it's easy? How come out of the governors baroro there are 47 so far? I think kawira mwangazo weko bate michando. Nguiweta no ne deputy governor ya Siaya. In 1 year 2 out of 47.
Gericho had a problem.
Gericho a problem.
The senator ya Nandi na governor ya there are issues.
Those issues are there. It tells you that a constitution was designed particularly and specifically that Obogambi must be consultative and it must be engaging. Obogambi is not, Obogambi County is not a winner takes it all. It's not a one-man show. Toko genda buna wana tebya ba MCA ngaki umathi chibese chiga buna mwabege ta chiya mache wono njibune governor tikangende mba rosalia mache aya ndi ati contract yani jirosia mache. That's nonsense. The standards are much higher. The expectation is much higher. Ebi intaba anto ma expected kuruwe so monto cholirune governor umanya kwa ende goruno monto cholirune president. Standards are higher.
MCAs have argued na bravo on their side it is not even easy to oversight a governor.
True, because the misara ya abone governor kowacha. The kingo kerustoro. We are removing the money from the governor's office. The county assembly and the speaker are going to run their fund separately. That's number one. Yes.
Kwere lichiko lyo cross undia mwabe ntrochi what development fund koba factor duna mwa factor oversight na CDF.
That is why I was saying the oversight fund gave what the one very simple to me. One simple belief. Onye go eserikali anene kebwate chibesi chaye. Omanya go chicha omubunge igabwate chibesi chaye. In other words, the MP talieroko gendo ligia abantu bechitenda gako announce lakini rendo no manya amini nyakundi bintu bire no manyete na bwate influence. That is acceptable. Mbaro bago tenga the MP should never have that response, and I'll tell them in Janavero Mubunge for many years. Omubunge must have resources. Tigaba na inchi bamo oversight na ba MCA ba tebia bantonga chibesi tutu aletu no chechi nturajira osomo mo MP tumbu yawe chikolera. The point I'm making yakundi ne. Omo MP igabwa chibesi chaye a national government gebwa chibes chaye no mo MCA tiganera twale chibes chaye igona ria maskania koba to ko uro mo MCA chibesa omanya gochira uti o mugavana ngo mugavana nero gochieti uchitari bweka iga asa kogenda abantu liba mwakere chikura obachi nyinge esa abantu bata mwakere chikura obachi nke
twara rich county chego tuara gentleman's agreement.
Yes.
That ward ya, for example, Kitutu Central,
yes,
yatonyo bekere milioni 3.
True.
Kire ward enyo. But we've seen that it's not possible. The ward nero erendene kubweyende. The ward nero bwate unabono Kitutu Central is more developed than, for example, Maharani.
Yes.
You can say that. So how will ngakimura factor in the ward development fund so that nere ente equity, because to already much ando kwa CDF moko wa chibesa chibwe kaine chance.
Unaona, I can tell you the truth. I do not think there's a reason. I mean, I have no explanation, and I hope Mheshimiwa Obiri is working on it. Bobasi is one of the largest constituencies in Kisii, and yet Bobasi eko with the same amount of money like Egusitima Itinerary, the smallest constituency. So I agree with you, but the Angotea Mangane Ward Development Fund, no CDF, there is a minimum.
Okay.
That needs to be factored. Unabono ese ward. The information have been given by by my team. We've been looking at the budget year county. The amount of money that is being given is between 40, 41, 42, 43. What I am saying, if I was a governor today, I may have an argument in whatever ward get the into Gaki. It is so huge. It has, I think, over 25,000 voters. What do you do with a ward which has got a large number like that? Naboko mitigate yo kwandira ba MCO batenga kigaki akeramo wete budget yeye a ward nero muticho, for example in South Mugirango.
Yes.
Tuwate a ward yeni yalibali kurukuibeno. Tukatwara Kisii Central here part of the township. Lakini yarone developed kiango bintumbiro. Tuwate ye kurukumanyero nyembo tuikurwa. Okay, for example, nye yeme kurukikowa, that kind of thing. You can negotiate for them to get a little bit more because they have a larger size. Yobolemo ye areas abantu bamenyete ne population igeriguru. But otherwise, the best equalizer, the place where the governor cannot directly impact of development y'abantu bali batamuwakirite zikora omaita ko koligeri yaba to baza koligeri barubaga wakirite ekero ko gamba buya abantu batakoete zikura nabokorere bintu. That is why ko yunya ko mani president nginke bono munya ukwana nagachagwa ngoma idene company moroseti ngabande ntu awaete zikura. William Ruto got zikura 146,000 in Kisii. So how can you legitimize yon tevinga ngebinto ko baga tutaitiko omugusibu ya because omugusita akwete jikura omugusi gave you 145,000 votes, and also kwa hesabu Kenya ngima you might find omugusi ga ete William Ruto ko 1,400 Kenya ngima. So what we are saying nto target politics area kare jikura chia elire abantu banza ko victimized.
Okay.
Yes.
Talking about boundaries nane ngwakwana, we are in a stalemate.
Yes.
Yoko review boundaries.
That is why I was saying a meeting yes party when I don't know why I will be able to machara. There are very many issues in that meeting which we can agree on. There's nothing wrong. We can agree on the boundaries. Talk on your oranga boundaries. They are saying there's a possibility. For me, my position is very simple. It is true. I know the sensitivity, and I know people are saying, "Oh, you know, to target na into mono, to we county ete korukugucha, so that to take munumotiga na Kisii Central." That is still very okay. Etabe tirende. My argument is we got to do a plan B. Plan B mnereri. Which areas Kisii can we increase the constituency? Bobasi must be split. Are you with me, my brother?
Yes.
So that you know, ababasi bali babere, amachoga babere, South Mugirango, ya kabaliru na Bonchari. You remember Bonchari, South Mugirango? We'll have to look and see between Bonchari and South Mugirango. Do we have the numbers? Can we split either of them or both of them? But create a third one. Bogetu chache tole North and South. Essentially, one square bagrechi constituency, and the argument I make like this, then you don't have to county. Why? Because that constituency will bring in more capital. Right now, every constituency in Kenya receives 250 million. oso waka chi constituency kianda to bwate omenteli abo basie mu chibe 10 oso to mente chinde ibere chibe 12 times 250 million echire ngo wadi nyangundi
close to 3 billion, sorry.
That is enough money to push. So my argument is ntogwene tukunya kurwana about ibintu bitaisaini amangano wokwana about ingitobuna another issue is Kuria babwazi constituency bere Kuria East and Kuria West lakini aba Kuria babwata abanyabasi aba Keira aba Gumbe amachiri nyumba inye. Why can't you give aba Kuria chi constituency inye
instead of a county? But we have seen no other when chiko reduce we chin around 40 of them.
That is true. You see, I'm saying onye county chiko ruewa tikachiruwe gusito iwe yemo Kuria ba iwe yende West Pokot yende nere wende to be kworo kwirende Mount Elgon ne wende to split. That is okay.
We agree in the Tanga county nchina chiko sabwange 14.
That is true.
But the other people even these ones we cannot
manage it to what. That is why I'm saying inga once we are looking at ekiagara again to go determine again the chikura toji waka. Chikure echo is most probably going to be a referendum. Are you getting me? Wo change ebintebi. All right, unless we go through parliamentary system so that chikura chiako toya 2/3 majority ebintebi. So the question I'm raising with you nay, if we do not get, I mean, if we can plan to get a county, we see, so be it. All right, let's fight and make sure to acknowledge it.
So that we have another unspent 30% development.
Exactly. If that is what people want. My argument is, if we find that is difficult because we can agree to okay, let me a reducible minimum constituency which is easier konyora than konyora county. That is my point.
Very well.
Yes.
But what's happening at IBC? We do by election in bending.
Yes.
To what the I mean,
you see,
no, never discuss no meeting your bombers. Seems to be having a dead end.
Exactly. Why? Because within Serikali ya KK Alliance, Ginero, you've had whatever Vice President ya Kwandira Gachagua, igadewa umaite. As far as are concerned, meeting ye no uchinga boka boga and reta bombers. Kwa manya konyora. A team where the president yet so made the Kwana, Bachira Vatevirenga, no, those views, a vice president, you go on and chia personally. A problem with President you what an we calculate balancing ya to make sure that a Kiagare Virenga Yawa and bring out a Gitajiku Wachkura 2027. So he has to agree a key. Does he bring a vice president Gachagua Nere, Bagri, Amuikaranza by one, or say, even the Biriga Chagua, the president of Madenga again to watch Okabno, and a little destabilize and our opposition so that you know kick and engage to cover, then talk and rename to nine to talk at Devaiga. Bagwancher and about Devan, but I get to a meeting each. Number one, CDF will be declared illegal. Number two, Ndulu to a ward fund. Number three, Omayakonyora ntubuati boundaries ya sinyiru wateka ntubuati county chichiwene tokobe kwenye chikobe kwaro. Number 4, Omayakonyora all these things nyakundi vire pending. Are you with me? Ekare ruta ochi koliki chikura jo presidency. Tego chikomo kongera.
Ida kan kiana choka chata kero mwancho motare to na senator Richard Onyonka se studio na gukwana regoro ya amangana arengete enseito na bego chinse mojile. There's an MC who has written a message here saying,
yes,
Senator is misleading the public on the 41 million.
Yes.
We only propose a project worth 39 million per ward.
Yes.
Is the executive implementing and an MC has no role in implementation?
Thank you. MC has no role to implement. The difference between 41 and 39 gaki omo MCA is 1 million. Na gaki lakini whatever na uchirange na abu. Number 2, onye inu Vuna ba MCA chibes chino chiavekiru account omanya konte being that you have no role to implement, then you have no business being in the county assembly. You have no
factually now you know man you've been in politics long enough. You know how about MCA but under hostage
arali
from the executive
arali kata abande bakana bamenye usimba abande bameto Gladys wanga inoma be abande no baruete kategereze embarasa tole nera iye asembe kako ndebinga abande babwate bawo chabaso achi sitting room cha eno baikaranze bakanye baye go handa utsama yosoka. The member of the county assembly is a dignified position. Nyakundi tomorrow njomo nyene I can decide to run as an MCA. Why? Because it is the primary oversight responsibility yomo MCA to make sure governor yakolere gashingia. Who told yaba governor nga they have no aba MCA ngamba buat implementation capacity.
But you've agreed mapema ganga no ino mushahara bakolia ne governor buate.
Na atari mushahara na teva. Ona teva chi allowance. The governor, because the constitution abayaba ete design digo. That is why tokuru stivese chiso mo governor bono to chire se assembly mo clerk ya chikuchirenda.
So it's possible as ba now mbabuati toothless.
The opposition bali batake to inki ababa meru bakubuna na mwangaza. Kate ba montenga to hivesi je tuje over to hivesi ya kurende ward fund to etinko kurusi bali. Mbamuruseti. Ngikwaro ya bete dio wena kachagwa okwana. Kate, you see, if members of the county assembly batagete konyole bintu gete kuruya assembly batagete basikwe batagete gabaikaranse na masikani ba consult ne governor mamte governor, this you can do, this you cannot do. That's it. Kibono kero ekenene.
The problem is the same across whatever. It is not only in Kisii,
yes,
but all along.
True.
You are arguing a Senate governor is a MCA is a dignified position.
Yes.
How dignified is it, Montoyega? Almost at the mercy.
That is true.
Of the governor.
That is true. What I am saying is that it is because Omo MCA, I'll give you an example. Tu agenda lizwa enda turukana muisonde. Inkia wa MCA wale ngo wale watotevi. Chibe se chigocha. Tuate buchi kwa saige ntoyo CRF account. Tuarangelu tuende nyumba yomo governor. Oto ikaransi ototebuo ngocha kuigwa korosinda mache. Otebio ndengo chane korosire kataracha gite. Otebio paitaba. Bamanya kuruwa bago behave as if they don't understand. Chibe sere chibe kirese budget hiyo. By the way Nyakundi, I will interrogate how much money every county has got. Year we see, I will interrogate how much money every ward ya nyolire. Nkonyole ward ya onyo koromo MCA go ire chibese chinke go itani ward yende ngotebia abantu ba okonyora ire chibese chikagenda sangao ayo gateke chibese chao chikagenda.
What happens to separation of powers?
Which separation?
Between the office, the MCA's office and the governor's office.
My role is to oversight. The role of the MCA is to oversight. He has what is called primary oversight. I have secondary oversight. Onye primary oversight ya musinyire, onye omo MCO sinyiro watevie governor ebi intombira agokora nebibe. To base gokore ebi. Eke governor getige. Ta gokore eke kerakiranere, eke kubutobuate stokolega. If he is not willing to do that, then he has no job. Tigatike kasi wa MCA.
In that case, then we are
jana kuboli Nyakundi. Nkale ngokora rango tebe William Ruto nge serikali yao ya gundire. Rosia. Nano Rosia. Unege ntukiri yatangaza abantu baende chisabali. Nkale ngana yukwandire. Mara sarasini.
We'll talk about it. Lakini yatra kora manganaye. You see, ekirabata mangana kora secondary oversight.
Yes.
Na ikuarenge kere budget ya Kisii County alengo koma altered.
I will not. I wanted to wait until it's altered. Then I'll look. I use my legal position to handle that.
We have seen you also say,
yes.
Oh, I have never seen the human resource audit report.
No.
I have not seen the report you are pending bills.
Audit report, Governor Simba went and did the audit report. Akayegacha. He never gave it to me, never took it to the assembly. So it doesn't exist. Number two, chief pending bills. Auditor General's office, bagakora e oversight role yabo, and by the way, kinangirikia rukotini, I think you are aware, which says the governor has no responsibility of oversighting himself. Ngakiure oversight. Ogende, tiba abantu bakole gasi, kwanyolere, governor yalengo ya chire, abantu aba, Auditor General, control of budget, kiromonto teviri, pay these people. In fact, in your budget, the first line of payment yokurwa, nichibes yo wakana orally pending bills. Kwama ya wajawada ni waka nonde. So in reality, what you are saying, you are abdicating on your responsibility. The amount of money chiwende to waka na pending bills was 787 million shillings, which the control of budget has said akanaba anta abuo. Ekiagara Auditor General na koleteki na tebete bakakora kiregento bakabeka ESCC bakabeka DCI bakasokia report ye yinga yere no aerobies yo governor. Can't you look at it and see what it says?
Ida kaninye choka chete. By the way, why are you not in Kisii?
Inje okoraki.
The governor is giving a state of the country address.
I am working, and by the way, kwanya kwa ramusacho kagende nyangi abanda unless karu musangami. Kate nyangi karo monta jikire nyangi ga uji ko gendo.
Tujikire.
Ngaye kadi eroro ja no ai kwa ngwa jikire. Aitata kwa campaign ri Arati kana.
What do you mean? No, that is not true.
Getena no mongi na getena olengo mu campaign. Aye to mu campaign.
That is not true.
Aye inje kwa le campaign.
No.
Okay. Yale wana atigiri.
They was campaigning for you. Guy. By the way,
I meant it with a joke.
I know.
With a light touch.
But seriously, you do not receive invitation to attend the country?
Absolutely none. Oma ititi yango Devi. Kiringi ntonke bwata masikania ye.
Osibona kwanga ero kobeke munye ko totebeka ya. Yani to tatere.
Ya. Inche nyakunu.
Why do you need an invitation to the county yao?
Yani inche ne street vendor. Iwonko genda ando sibuna bono. Can I walk from here? I got more about 15 meters to State House. Igonya kundi William Ruto president is meeting abantu baguziga iga State House intachigiri manya kwenda gita mbadenga jina yangu ni Onyonka fungua mlango. Shame on you.